Rolling. Hey guys, I'm out here in Pennsylvania. Moved just a few weeks ago, and it's the 4th of July, and we're watching the fireworks. I'm watching the fireworks with my family.
At BRRRRRRR Stadium. And the color changing things, those are fireworks.
These fireworks are pretty crazy. I've been out here for a little while. Oh, dang, that one was pretty loud. Bro, Michael, that's.
Let's go, that's the news, bucko.
It sounded more like a dying than a sneeze.
Sunny.
Are we allergic to regular grass or fresh cut grass?
Yes, Mom. I've seen
On Halloween. Orang. He's like, that dog was like, help! Help me! They pay for tickets at Beaver Stadium? Oh. Dad, aren't they coming from Beaver Stadium? Oh. What's the baseball stadium called?
which one is the big one?
It's next to it.
Focus. Focus. Focus.
Seriously,
Focus.
that's not very nice.
Dang it. Oh, there we go. We're back in business. Oh, those are nice ones. Oh, those are nice ones.
Not here for like 45 minutes.
Michael, what kind of question is that? What is he what do they materialize on his feet? Oh dang. Look at the moon. This looks like we're in a horror movie. Oh no, I'm gonna die. This grass is pokey. Mom, it definitely died down. They ran out of money. Yeah, they're running out of money. They need to they're not Mr. Beast. Yeah, they're they're using all the ticket money. Currently an unpaid.
$50 and they sell a ticket for $50. That's how you make a lot of money at places. You should definitely see places for $50.
Alright guys, I think that's it. Sorry for not uploading in 9 days. See you guys next time.